Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Stalker 2 on controller slash gamepad not working on PC, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to Steam if you have Stalker 2 downloaded to Steam. From here go over to the Steam in the top left and go ahead and just open up settings. Once settings is open, you can make your way down to controller and then go ahead and disable the enable Steam input for controllers, and then you can also disable the enable Steam input for generic controllers. Once that's done, you can go ahead and X out, and then you can also X out of Steam as well. You can go ahead and open it up again by running it as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue. And if you are having an issue where it's working for other games but not for Stalker 2 specifically, then it might just be a Stalker 2 issue, so you might just have to wait for like an update where it fixes that. But another thing you guys can do is simply just disconnect your controller. So just go to Bluetooth, disconnect it, and then reconnect it. And I recommend once you do that, you should restart your PC as well. And that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and have a great day.